Ahoy! I'm at Gajwaka, which is in Visakhapatnam, and most of my rides start from here. And today we are going to a place called Ross Hill Church, and you guys can experience a 150 years old church with a panoramic scenic view. And it's very simple to reach there. I will leave the details in the description below. And the time is 5:40 in the morning, and I'm all set to leave. So let's begin. This is the Gajwaka junction, and we are taking U-turn from here.
Hello everyone, this is Nadeem and welcome back to ND Journals. ND Journals portraits biking, traveling, motovlogging and also reviewing the products which I personally use for my biking. And if you are interested in any one of this content, consider subscribing.
We started from Gajwaka, and the coming junction is the Shilanagar, and we will leave the NH16 highway and take the Visakhapatnam Port Road, which it's a basic shortcut for the Ross Hill Church. You don't need to go roam around the city and come to Ross Hill Church. It's little bit drizzling. I don't want to be. As per the plan, we will leave the NH16 highway, enter into the Visakhapatnam Port Road. This is the Visakhapatnam Port Road, you can see there. There is a toll gate ahead. If you are a four-wheeler and want to avoid any kind of charges, you can come around the city. Once you have, all you have to do is you have to reach the beach road, which is the RK Beach Road, and from there towards the fishing harbour. So let's get into the details and the history of the Ross Hill Church before going there, and we have a lot of time reaching there, so we can discuss it on our bike. And the thing is, the church we call in today's date was actually a house which was built in year somewhere around 1860s by Mr. Ross. The name Ross Hill Church came after his owner, and something like in 1866 it was occupied by a person called J.M. Tissot, and he constructed an altar and rebuilt it as a church by the year 1867. And later, from the year 1870s to 1880s, the church was so badly hit by the natural calamities, and it was completely wrecked. So it has to be rebuilt, right? It undergone reconstruction for about 10 to 15 years, and before the 19th century the church was completely rebuilt. So tentatively the church is 150 years to till date. The church itself is 150 years old, but the place which hosts the church is more than that. And the next coming junction is the Convent Junction. From there we will enter into the Gymkhana Club Port Road. On my left you can see these are the solar panels which were placed here by Visakhapatnam Port, and they want to go eco-friendly, so they choose for this option. I think it generates about 10 megawatts of electricity, which would be useful for the Visakhapatnam port activities. So kind of them that they are choosing this eco-friendly power rather than the coal generated power to save our environment. It's a movement to appreciate their efforts in making our environment pollution free. There you can see the signboard. It's a 10 megawatt solar power plant. We are reaching on our next checkpoint, which is the Convent Junction. The arch in front of me is entry gate for the Port Gymkhana Club Road. Guys, watch out. There is a way from here on your right which will take you on to the Ross Hill Church. You have to take right from here. See this signboard, and this is the way to the Ross Hill Church. Oh, it's fun. Really? It's too fun to drive here. As the Arku Ghats, I think this is the parking lot.
So guys, it took almost 45 minutes to reach here, and after coming here, the first thing you will notice is this view. So good. This is the Visakhapatnam port entrance for the inner harbour, and there is also a outer harbour here, somewhere here, and this all the way the vessels enter into the Visakhapatnam port from here. While coming to the Ross Hill Church, on your right back there is a church here, this one. This is the Ross Hill Church. This is the parking bay. Right in front of this you will find a stairs. From there you can enter the church premises. and there's the Vishakhapatnam port right there. There is the church. I will choose this way. There is a way from here. Oh, the first glimpse of the church is so cool. Let's make a climb. I think the church is closed. Don't know at which time they open this. After reaching up here, this is the best view I can show you. From here, on the right, there is the Jesus statue, and we'll see if there is any viewpoint or not. If you haven't seen city from this perspective, I would suggest you definitely make a visit here. It's amazing. And here's the statue of Jesus. This thing is nice, right? The church actually looks like typical European Gothic style castle with two turrets on either side like this. Guys, other than this church, there are also still two more buildings in this premises. Those are the pilgrim accommodations, and one more thing is the prayer hall. So let's take quickly a walk around and of this premises, and later we will get into the church. Guys, this one is the pilgrim accommodation and this one is the prayer hall. We'll go some more closer and have a look, and we'll come back to the church again. This is the pilgrim accommodation center, and there in the front you will find a prayer hall here, and there is also a parking place for the cars right here. Let's go and see the prayer hall. Seems like it's under reconstruction. No problem, we'll check it out. And there are some statues here, you can see, and this tree looks amazing. Look, maybe how many years old, I don't know. Let's see. Guys, this is the prayer hall, and you could see it's so huge. Seems like some renovation works are going on here. The complete hall from the other side.
Hey guys, that was the video for today. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay connected with the ND channels. And see you in another vlog with some more interesting content. Until then, stay tuned with the ND channels. Bye.